Here you can see that I have this particular event right here. So what you can also do is set the privacy level of your event so that only you can view it, or you can let the public view it. So to do that, you can go around onto the privacy setting right here, and you can turn it into a public event right here and select this. Once you do that, everyone will be able to see the event on this particular calendar. But you can also go around and click on show date and time only. So what others will be able to know is when they see it, they know that you are busy, but they don't see the event details. But if you were to set it to private event, then this just becomes your reminder. And even if you share this calendar with others, they won't be able to see this particular event. So you can go around and set the level according to how you want. So you can go around and save it right here. And you can see that this is private event. And you can see by this particular sign right here. You can go ahead and edit it and change it to public event, let's say for example, and then you don't see that icon right here. If I were to go around, save it to show time and date only, so others will be able to see it, and you can see the little exclamation mark right here that that actually notifies that others can see the timings of the events, but not the event details. And that is how you can make sure that certain calendar events are private or public inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.